and happy. But patriotic songs encourage us, bring a sense of fulfillment and responsibility towards our nation and make us to feel proud of it. I request our chorus group to present the patriotic song.
ଏହି ଦେଶର ପାଣି ପବନ ଆକାଶ ନୀଳ ସାଗର ଏହି ଦେଶର ପାଣି ପବନ ଆକାଶ ନୀଳ ସାଗର ଅଲଗା ଲାଗେ
chorus group for such a melodious song. Now, I would request the captain of DPSS, our beloved secretary, Engineer Prasant Kumar Patra sir, to address the August gathering.
Most respected Chairman Sir Dr. J. Surya Rao, Madam Director, Madam Srimati J. Jayalakshmi, Director Ipari Shiva Prasad Rao, Principal Sir, and my colleagues in DPSS. A very good morning to all of you. At the outset, let me extend my heartiest wishes on eve of the 72nd Republic Day celebration. As all of us know, 71 years back, the very day of January 26th, India became Purna Swaraj, complete independence, after having its own constitution. It was the tireless effort of freedom fighters, the think tanks of erstwhile India, under the leadership of B.R. Ambedkar, the biggest in volume, Constitution was framed and adopted, by which we the Indians, we the proud Indians, enjoy the rights, the fundamental rights of equality, sovereignty, and our freedom. We must be proud as the citizen of this country, which ensures the fundamental rights such as equality, freedom, adopting on religion, culture, education, privacy, etc. This has come to us with infinite sacrifices of our great leaders, soldiers, civilians who laid their blood and sweat for the purpose. On this auspicious occasion, let us bow our heads before the memories of Indian freedom fighters and great leaders. This may be the occasion, the reflection of our commitment to unity in diversity, all fraternity and equality among all our citizens. It also reminds us of our struggle for Purna Swaraj. In the recent past, we have gone through a serious pandemic, COVID-19, where across the globe, each citizens, each family members, each one of us suffer. Thank God, due to the tireless efforts, thanks to science and technology, thanks to the innovations, the doctors, the health workers would bring the fastest vaccine ever produced for COVID, and we must take the pride that India has the forefront in doing this. Now India is producing to 17 countries the vaccine, and the highest vaccination program among the world, which touched 1 million vaccination in only 3 days. So it is the administration, it is the leaders, and it is the commitment of every citizen which brought India this real republic or Purna Swaraj. My dear friends, this is the high time, because we are into the teaching fraternity. We produce engineers, we produce doctors, we produce each and every professionals. So we have a highest responsibility that the Purna Swaraj must be reflect in us to cater the wisdom to each one of the future citizens of India, and in building the Atmanirbhar Bharat, or we surely see India is shining. With this, I again extend my hearty wishes on the 72nd Republic Day. Thank you very much.